ready to play a role in this pursuit, delivering that is reform, social development, and international cooperation to create more just and equitable society. To translate this principle into reality, Pakistan has undertaken significant legislative and policy reforms. During my tenure as a Prime Minister of Pakistan, social safety nets such as the Better Living Support Program, BISP, have provided economic relief to millions of vulnerable people. Universal health care initiatives are expanding access to affordable medical care for all segments of society. Labor reforms continue to strengthen minimum wage, protection, workplace savings, and social security mechanisms. Key initiatives in the national position for robust, non-international labor organizations enable fair economic policies, stronger labor rights, and inclusive social protection by prioritizing marginalized communities, including women, persons with disabilities, and informal workers. Pakistan is setting policies with tangible progress. Women and youth, if empowerment remains central to our agenda, legal reforms now ensure greater work participation, protection against workplace harassment, and increased access to education and entrepreneurship programs. Real gender action